Okay, so I'm gonna do a bike check now. They got some new parts, new frame. So start out with the front, head to the back. So right here I have a Alienation plain black rim, 9mm front, loose ball bearing, Micronabi 2 with the rolling resistance strip, FSA impact headset, NS Fundamental 2 Rigids, 2011, 2012 Norco 250 dirt frame in the large 22.5 inch tube, Black Market Underboss stem 50mm reach, Black Market Badaboom 2012 2-inch rise 30-inch width, Troy Lee Designs ODI grips. I don't know what they're called. Right here I did have working Gusset PCP transparent black pedals. They're actually really good. Just got stock cranks, NTN bottom bracket, just like a regular Norco sprocket off an older Norco, like 2010 Norco Havoc. I polished it up so it's chrome. There's no seat post clamp because it's integrated right in there. I got a Collat seat, Micronabi on the back. I think it's, I don't know what chain it is, but I think it's a KMC chrome chain. It was like $40, so whatever. Full link. On the back I got a rim off my friend. It's a NS Coaster Pro on a pimp light in anodized red. It may look pink on here, but it's actually red. 17 mil bolts. Just got regular spacers. Got a Gusset head cap puller. Oh, these are Demolition if I said they were Gusset. That should be it. I have 2 rims for sale. The Mavic 721 and my original one from my Havoc, if anyone wants to buy them. Yep. Alright. This is just going to be a sound check for a NS Coaster Pro.